Mr. President. It is a fact that most of those who arrive in Europe from Africa and the Middle East are very unlikely to find employment and become self-sufficient in Europe. This kind of immigration is an economic and social burden, not a resource. It is also a fact that most of those who arrive illegally or using the asylum procedure are not genuine refugees, but rather people looking for better opportunities. For these reasons, it is both necessary and justified to limit as much as possible immigration from the Third World to Europe. The report rightly addresses the root causes of migration, such as poverty and bad governance, and calls for more cooperation with the neighbourhood countries. Our focus should shift from managing the crisis within Europe to supporting the countries of origin and transit countries and helping refugees where most of them are, in the camps. Thank you very much.